Alright, let's look at the homework 5.2, 5.3, problem number 3. Alright, so we have the derivative of f of x is given, and also it's going to go through the graph of the original function, goes through 0, 3, 8 over 3. Alright, so let's find the original function f. Alright, so just like before, in order to find the original function, we need to find the antiderivative of this given derivative. So it's an antiderivative of x times square root of 25 minus x squared with respect to x. Alright, so I'm going to use a substitution here. Let u be 25 minus x squared. Right? Take the derivative of u with respect to x. We have derivative of 25 is 0. Derivative of negative x squared would be negative 2x. Right? Then we can take the reciprocal of both sides. We have dx over du is equal to 1 over negative 2x. Right? Then we can just multiply through by du to find the dx is same thing as du over negative 2x. Right? So this is going to be equal to, so integral x. Right, so we decided to call the expression inside the square root u. So you will have square root of u. Right, dx is du over negative 2x. Right, so we can cancel x on top and x on the bottom. Then negative 2 on the bottom is just a constant. I'll put it in front. Right, so we will have, so it's 1 over negative 2, right? I don't like square root, so I'm going to write it as a u to the 1/2 power with respect to u, right? Then, so you have a negative 1/2 times, right? Antiderivative of this is add 1 to the power, so it's going to be 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Right, divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. Right, then plus some constant c. Right, and we can cancel 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. So we end up getting negative 1/3. Right, the new original expression is 25 minus x squared. Raise it to the 3/2 power plus some constant c. Alright, then what we have here is this will actually tell you that f of 0 is equal to 8 over 3. Right? We can use that to find the value of c. Right? So f of 0, plug in 0. So you have a negative 1/3, right? If you plug in 0 here, you have 25 minus 0. So 1/2 power is square root, so that's square root of 25 is 5. And raise it to the 3rd power, right? So it's going to be 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So you have a 125. And plus some constant c, and this is equal to 8/3. Right? So we can simply add 125 over 3 to both sides to get the c value. So it's going to be 133 over 3. Right? So therefore, we found the complete formula for f of x, which is negative 1/3 and 25 minus x squared raise it to the 3/2 power plus 133 over 3. Alright, so let's type it in. Right, so what we found was negative 1/3, right, quantity 25 minus x squared, raise it to the 3/2 power plus 133 over 3. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.